Good morning, dear students. So in today's class, I am going to explain about the question and answer of Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage. That is the third lesson. So take your notebook and write very neatly. Don't make any mistake. I will repeat 2 times each question. Okay? Don't make any mistakes. Okay? So first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. With suitable words. Yes, fill in the blanks with suitable words. So first question is dash is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi. Yes, dash is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi. Yes, what is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi? Yes, do you know? Yes, very good. That is Channa Mallikarjuna. Yes, Channa Mallikarjuna is the pen name of Akka Mahadevi. Yes, over. Second question. Purandaradasa was in the court of yes, answer is Krishna Devaraya. Yes, Purandaradasa was in the court of Krishna Devaraya. Next, third one is Adikeshava is the pen name of, yes, tell me, very good, that is Kanakadasa. Yes, Adikeshava is the pen name of Kanakadasa. Fine. Fourth question is Kabira of Karnataka is very good, that is Shishunala Sharifa. Yes, Kabira of Karnataka is Shishunala Sharifa. Next, fifth question is Chaitanya's first name is, yes, Chaitanya's first name is, what is, very good, that is Vishwambara is the name of Chaitanya. Yes, that is the first name. Chaitanya's first name is Vishwambara. Yes. Last question is, sixth one is Sufi saint Khwaja Bande Nawaz other name is, what is the other name of Khwaja Bande Nawaz? Yes, very good, that is Gesu Daraz. Fine, that's Gesu Daraz. Over. Okay, so second one, main question is answer the following questions in one sentence. Yes, answer the following questions in one sentence. So write down first one question is there. What is the original name of Andal? Yes, what is the original name of Andal? Yes, write down answer. Andal's original name was Goda Devi. Yes, Andal's original name was Goda Devi. Over. Second one is where was Akka Mahadevi born? Yes, answer. Akka Mahadevi was born in Uduthadi of Shivamogga district. Yes. Next one is, third question is who is Karnataka Sangeet Pitamaha? Yes, who is Karnataka Sangeet Pitamaha? Yes, write down answer. Purandaradasa is known as Karnataka Sangeet Pitamaha. Over. Okay, so next question is, fourth one question is name Kanakadasa's parents. So write down answer. Kanakadasa parents were Kanakadas parents were Birappa and Bachamma. Yes, Birappa and Bachamma. Over. Fine. Shall we go for next question? Okay. So write down fifth one question is there. Which is the sacred book of Sikhs? Which is the sacred book of Sikhs? So, yes, that is Granth Sahiba. Granth Sahib is the sacred book of Sikhs. Is the sacred book of Sikh. Next question is, sixth one question is, who is called as Radha of Kali Yuga? As Radha of Kali Yuga. So write down answer. Mirabai is called as Radha of Kali Yuga. As Radha of Kali Yuga. Over. Fine. So seventh question is, what is the meaning of the word Sufi? Yes, what is the meaning of the word Sufi? Over. Fine. So answer is, the word Sufi comes from the word Saf. From the word Saf, which means clean and clear. Which means clean and clear. Yes, the word Sufi comes from the word Saf, which means clean and clear. Over. Full stop. So write down next one question. Eighth question is there. Name Sufi saints of India. Name Sufi saints of India. Name Sufi saints of India. So write down answer. Nizamuddin Awliya. Nizamuddin Awliya. Comma Bande Nawaz. Bande Nawaz. Comma Moinuddin Chishti. Moinuddin Chishti. And Salim Chishti. And Salim Chishti are some of the Sufi saints of India. Sufi saints of India. Over. Fine. So next one question is, ninth question is, who was the founder of Chishti cult? Chishti cult. Yes, was the founder of Chishti cult. So write down answer. Moinuddin Chishti was the founder of the Chishti cult. The Chishti cult. Yes, Moinuddin Chishti was the founder of Chishti cult. Over. Next, 10th one is, who is the first Kannada Muslim poet? First Kannada Muslim poet. So write down answer. Shishunala Sharifa was the first Kannada Muslim poet. Yes, Shishunala Sharifa was the first Kannada Muslim poet. Over. So next question is, third question is there. Answer the following in 2-3 sentence each. In 2-3 sentence each. Over. So write down first one question is there. Write the message of Kabir Das. Write the message of Kabir Das. Write the message of Kabir Das. So write down. Kabir Das tried to bring Kabir Das tried to bring Hindu Muslim unity. Hindu Muslim unity. Yes, Kabir Das tried to bring Hindu Muslim unity. Yes, next one. Next point is he condemned caste system, comma, luxurious life and discrimination based on religion. Full stop. Next one is he described Hindu and Muslims as pots of same clay. Yes, he described Hindu and Muslims as pots of same clay. Yes, full stop. He said that Allah and Rama are the two names of one God. Yes, he said that Allah and Rama are the two names of one God. Full stop. According to him, it is not possible to see God by fasting, comma, torturing the body, comma, sacred pilgrimage. It is full stop. It is possible only by sacred devotion. Word. So this is the message of Kabir Das. Okay, so write down. Next one question is there. List out the teachings of Guru Nanak. Yes, list out the teachings of Guru Nanak. So write down answer. Make a point or try, you can write continuously. Okay, so first point is Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. Full stop. Sikh cult has given importance for japa and good deeds. Full stop. Second point is he stressed on gender equality. Full stop. Third point is he proclaimed that God is one and eternal. One can gain guru through bhakti and with bhakti one can attain mukti. Yes, one can attain mukti. Full stop. Fourth point is he opposed social evils like idol worshipping, casteism, sati system, etc. Work. So next question is, third question is there. So write down. What are the influence of bhakti cult? What are the influences of Bhakti cult? So write down answer. Bhakti saints created harmony between Hindu and Muslims. You stop. Bhakti saints wrote in simple common man's language. Bhakti saints wrote in simple common man's language. Full stop. This enriched the languages of the common man. So fourth question is summarize the essence of Sufi cult. Summarize the essence of Sufi cult. Okay, so write down answer. God is one. Full stop. He is powerful. Full stop. We are all his children. Yes. Next point is this encouraged good deeds. Next, it proclaimed that all are equal. Next, they opposed caste system. Next, dharma means love, service to mankind. Dharma means love and service to mankind. Okay, fine, this is over. So next question is match the following. In the A column there are 4 options is there. Yes, and the B column there is also 4 option is there. So you have to match correctly. Okay, so first one is Guru Nanak. Yes, Guru Nanak, that is B option, that is Sikh religion. Yes, he was the founder of Sikh. Okay, Guru Nanak, the first one answer is B, that is Sikh religion. Second one is Chaitanya. Is Chaitanya, that is D1, Hare Krishna cult. Yes, Chaitanya belong to Hare Krishna cult. Next one is Nizamuddin Auliya. Yes, Nizamuddin Auliya. So he was a Sufi saint. Yes, was Sufi saint. Fourth one is Mirabai. Yes, fourth one is Mirabai. So she was known as Radha of Kali Yuga. Yes, fourth one is Mirabai, Radha of Kali Yuga. Okay, so this is over. Don't make any mistakes. Write very carefully. If you don't understand, repeat the video. Okay, don't make any mistakes. Write very neatly. Okay, thank you.